Hey, how you all going today? Alright, this is going to be a really quick one. Olive damper. I'm going to cook it in the oven, but you can also do it in your camp oven as well, alright? So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. You want to get yourself a cooking tray and flour it and get that ready and put it aside. Now if you're doing it in your camp oven, whack your camp oven on the coals to get nice and hot while you do this, alright? The first thing you want to do is you want to get 30 grams of butter and melt it down. Then you want to get a large bowl and you want 2 cups of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of salt in there. You want to get half a cup of freshly shredded parmesan, or I just get them in these bags like this of them, alright? So you want half a cup. In it goes. Now we're using black pitted olives, alright? So we just slice them all up, half a cup, slice them up and put them in to measure half a cup of sliced ones, alright? In it goes. Then we need 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Now I'm using dry rosemary. Normally if you're out bush, that's what you have on you. But if you're at home and you've got fresh rosemary, you can chop it finely and you can have a tablespoon of fresh rosemary. I'll put the recipe below as always. Alright, melted butter in. Half a cup of milk. And 1/4 of a cup of water. I like using the bottom of a spatula thingy or a spoon, whatever you want to mix it with. Something wooden or plastic. Once we've got it into a nice dough, turn it around with your, scrape it all in together. Alright, you want to get it onto a lightly floured surface, alright? You don't need much. Okay, a little bit of flour over the top. Into a nice ball. Oh, yum. Get your tray. Now, if you're doing it in your oven thing, take the lid off it. Or actually maybe put a little bit of milk and parmesan on top first. And then put it in your oven, your camp oven, alright? So put it on top, a little bit of milk over it. You can use a brush thing if you want, but if you're out bush or like me, I just don't care, use your fingers. Hands quickly. Then you want to sprinkle some parmesan on the top of that. Flatten it down a little bit. Another little one. Alrighty. As soon as it's preheated, or now whack her in the camp oven. 25 minutes roughly it takes in the oven. But check it after 20. If you're doing it in the camp oven over the coals, check it after 15, but it's probably ready in 20 in the camp oven. Well, there you have it, my friends. Olive damper. Yum! How quick and easy was that? So awesome with your spaghettis and your lasagnas and stuff like that as well, if you want to do something different when you're at home. When you're away camping, I've got so many different dampers. They're just awesome when you've got all the kids and you've been swimming and fishing and stuff all day and you're starving. To put a damper with whatever you're cooking just fills everyone up, and they're just fantastic. And they're just so easy. Oi, thanks heaps for watching. Maybe I should just crack a piece off. Oh yeah. Look at that. A bit of cheese in there. Yum. How nice. Have yourselves an awesome day. Bye.